Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are making Nigiri Sushi Rolls with BlueFin Tuna. You can make it with salmon, you can make this with shrimp, you can make it with a lot of different fish as long as it's sushi grade. We have sushi grade BlueFin Tuna right here. Take a look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. So the first thing you want to do is cut this thin. Look at that nice thin piece right there. And depending on who you talk to, the right way to do this is put that in your hand like that. Get your fingers wet so the rice doesn't stick. And then you just kind of form it in your hand like this. Press the rice together and then put that right on the tray like that. Look at that. Nice looking BlueFin Tuna sushi roll. All right, so you can use about any kind of sauce that you want on these. We're gonna use a combination of wasabi. We're gonna use a little dumpling sauce. They make spicy dumpling sauce. This is regular dumpling sauce with a kick, really good stuff. And I don't have the original bottle, but eel sauce. It's a little thicker. It's kind of like molassesy, but you can use anything you like. Now, traditionally, you would eat these with chopsticks. I'm not gonna try it right now. That's another video, probably a comedy video. But you would flip this over and dip it in the sauce. That way, the reason you flip it over is so the rice doesn't fall out. You can actually, it's kind of an under scoop. So you'd hold it, dip it, and then eat it. And that's how we're gonna enjoy our sushi. We're gonna try it, but not on camera. So I appreciate you stopping. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks for stopping. Have a great day.